Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Sheila, and if you are new, welcome, and if you are a subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing. For today's video, I am doing a nails on a budget. I am doing a simple gel manicure. I wanted to do something pink for Valentine's Day, so I have already prepped my nails. So right now I'm just using a nail dehydrator, and I'm also going to prime my nails. And as you can see, I do have a henna tattoo that my coworker gave me on my left hand. I think it's super cute. But yeah, I hope that you enjoyed today's video. So after I primed my nails, I am going to be using a base coat, and I'm also going to be listing all the products that I use down below. I usually get all of my products from Amazon, so I will be linking everything so that way if you guys are interested in getting it, they are easy to find. So I'm going to be applying this gel polish by ASP, and you can get these at Sally's Beauty Supply. This is like a clearish pink color. I'm going to be applying that on all of my nails. So I'm going to be using this baby pink color by Gelish that you can also get at Sally's Beauty Supply. I was kind of thinking of what I should do. I was thinking about mixing two colors together, but I decided to do like a French manicure with the pink color. So I usually use these makeup sponges to do that ombre kind of faded look, like a faded tip color. I find that using a sponge is very easy to do, so that is what I'm going to be doing. So you could barely see the color, so I decided to just go in straight with the polish and then tap the sponge on top of it to see if that was better, and it turned out that it was the same. So I just decided that I was going to cure it just as it was and then do another coat, because applying it like that and then using the sponge is kind of like the same thing, so because the sponge soaks up some of that nail polish. So I decided I wanted the tip to be a little bit darker, kind of going into a dark fade, into a light fade. So I had this pink glitter polish that is in one of the gel polish kits that I got on Amazon. So I'm going to be doing the same thing. I'm going to be applying some to the sponge and then applying it to the tip. So I'm going to be attempting to do a heart on my one of my nails, and this is the first time that I've actually done a heart. And so yeah, I'm using a dotting tool. I got this one at Dollar Tree. You can find it at the craft section. That's where I found it. So yeah, I'm gonna be using the smaller kind of tip that it has, and I'm gonna be doing, from what I saw of how you can do a heart, I'm going to be doing 2 dots and then using a brush, like a little thin brush, to pull on the color and make a heart. I had decided to outline the heart with a white color, kind of do like a white outline, but that did not work out, so I ended up taking it off. And right now I am just applying the top coat, and I'm going to cure it for 60 seconds. So this is how they turned out. Overall, I was really happy with the little heart design. I'm so glad I was able to be just able to do them on both of my hands since I am right-handed, and I think they turned out really cute, and I really like this nail design. Super easy to do. Let me know if you like these types of videos by subscribing down below. Give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I will see you in my next one. Bye.